had before to see. I'm actually going to use the equity sticks today because I see that there's a lot of people that want to share, but sometimes we want to make sure that everybody's included in our lesson. So today I'm going to use the equity stick. Yes, Mia. Can you share your problem solving with us? Your mental math.
100 divided by 3.
Okay, so the first part of your problem, what did you do?
100 divided by 3.
You took 100, and you divided it by 3. Okay, and what did you get then? You took 100, you divided it by 3, and what did you get? Okay. I can see that you want to break down 100, and I can imagine that if that was an even number, that would actually be pretty easy to do, right? If you took 100 and you divided it by 2, what would that be? If you took 100 and you divided it by 2? Just think of like a dollar bill. It's 100's like a dollar bill. If you take it and cut it in half, it's going to be what? What plus what equals $1? So give me a chance to think. We all need a little time to think sometimes. It's early in the morning. Our brains are just getting started. That's why we're doing this activity. Okay. Can you want to call on a friend or call on someone to help? Okay. Okay, so 100 divided by 2 would be 50. And I can see your strategy. You're trying to break down 100, decompose. You're trying to break it down. But because this is an odd number, no one should be talking right now. It's not going to break down evenly, right? So we can try to break it down, but it's not going to break down evenly. So for this problem, it might not be the best strategy, and it might make us a little confused. So I think that I can see where you're going. I see that would have worked with 2. Okay. So let's for now leave this one here like this, okay, and then have someone else give their strategy. Thank you, Mia, that was very brave because I know that I would probably do the same thing, and I would try different strategies out in my head, and they're not all going to work, and that's why we do mental math, is to try new things. Okay, someone else willing to give their example of how they solve this problem in their head. Cillian.
Okay. I got 159.
Okay.
And we divided by 3.
Divided by 3.
And then we equal 53 and then I added the 53, like 53 plus 53 plus 53 3 times 2.
Okay, so you did a repeated addition sentence like this, Cillian,
Yeah.
to check your work.
Yes.
And
And then equals 159. Then I tried times 3 times 53.
And then what did you get?
159.
Okay, wow, you did a lot of work. So you double checked your work, you solved it, and then you checked back by doing a repeated addition sentence here, and you got the answer, the same one that he started out with. Okay, and then we're going to actually talk about this. This is actually the dividend. You remember we went over this yesterday a little bit? This is the dividend. Okay. And the 3 is actually the divisor. Okay. And the answer in this one is the quotient. Okay. And so what I want to point out is in the language of our objective, it says the quotient as the number of groups. So the quotient in this one is here, 53, and the unit, it talks about the unit. Using units of 3. So we use units of 3 to solve this. So this is a divisor, but it's also, in our language, it's known as a unit. Okay? That's what that means. Okay, I just want to make sure we review the different language for the terminology in our math.